Helios Infrastructure and Projects is proud to launch glorious premium living just off Hennu Road. So hurry, don't miss this offer. Call 733-866-6664. Now get healthy, nutritious, fresh and of course delicious food prepared by our home chefs delivered anywhere in Bangalore with Foodie Hive. To place your order, just call 080-471-89148.
And my name is Vinisha, and today we are super excited to shoot this video
because finally we have decided to step out of our home post-COVID.
During COVID and the series of lockdown, our life had become so monotonous and our productivity had decreased and it led to stress.
So I know we are in the middle of pandemic and it's really difficult to step out of home at this time. But ultimately when we felt a little comfortable to move out and also taking the necessary precautions, we finally decided to step out of our home.
And we chose a sanitized hotel for this. Forget what a disastrous year 2020 has been, we decided to travel to Coorg.
So we decided to have a checklist ready before traveling. So here are the things of the checklist which we need to carry with us.
First and the foremost important is
mask. So make sure you carry this, guys.
Other things in the checklist involves umbrella,
sanitizer,
odomos,
camera,
walking shoes,
and selfie sticks,
yoga mat, sunscreens and all other travel essentials.
So guys, let's go!
Location to the resort and we are ready to go. As you can see, the drive from Puttur to our resort is 2.5 hours. Though actually to reach Madikeri it will take like 1.5 hours or something, but from Madikeri to our resort is another hour. So let's go. So let's start the map. And there we go. The one starting the journey. Yeah, she's the one driving in the start.
So we have decided to split the driving between both of us. So initially I'll drive and then in middle Vinisha will take over.
Yeah, so it's always better to like split split the driving time with two people so that you are not tired at the end of the day.
Yeah. So we can see how pleasant the climate is today and it's so good to drive here. And the roads are also very beautiful.
Throughout the journey till we reach our resort, we are hoping the roads would be this clean, nice, and it will be surrounded with lush greenery.
It's so beautiful to travel when there is so much greenery around. That's the beauty in the south, right, Vinisha?
Of course.
Stopped for breakfast near East End Restaurant. So the drive till now was amazing.
And right now we've already reached Madikeri. So we're already in the town.
So we have come to the Madikeri town and we'll be heading back to our resort which is in a different direction right now. We've come here especially on a recommendation of a friend. It's a very good hotel.
Yeah, so let's see how the food here is.
Yeah.
ordered egg
dosa.
Yes.
And this looks so yum.
Masala dosa.
There's one masala dosa and 2 egg dosa.
And it's super hungry. So
Look at the
quality
size of it.
looks really nice.
And there's hot water. So
We're making sure we're having hot water all the time.
cheers.
So we just finished our breakfast here in Hotel East End, and it was really very good breakfast.
I think more than the food, I love the scenery. I think it's totally worth coming here for the scenery and the temperature. It's so cold.
It's very cold and you can experience the chillness when you're sitting out here. So when we are coming from East End Hotel, we take a diversion here.
And you see that Tamara Coorg. So this is a diversion you need to take when you're coming from East End Hotel.
Look at the waterfall over there.
Just behind you. There was a diversion which was 4-kilometer drive, and we have recorded the entire thing, which looks brilliant. So let's get in and see how the marathon. At Tamara,
And we are using the buggy ride and heading towards our room.
No, we're not heading towards the room, we are heading towards the coffee tour now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow! So we are going to meet the activity manager right over there, and we have been in contact with him from a very long time, 2-3 days before our check-in, and he has arranged an alternative time of coffee tour for us.
So usually the coffee tour happens in the afternoon, but we have already, it's already set. It's 11 a.m. in the morning,
Yeah.
and we are going for this tour. So in terms of what wood is expensive, first comes rosewood, second is your sandalwood, and third is your teak wood. And that we just saw was rosewood, guys.
I think the COVID stress is coming out already. It's getting down.
It's already been a year since we went out on a getaway, and this is a perfect relaxation spot for everybody who's looking for a getaway.
It's actually giving me mental peace right away.
Already 3:30. Actually, the ticket counter gets closed at 4.
And we are really hoping that we reach there by time because it's a half-an-hour drive from Tamara.
The problem that has happened here is that from 3 o'clock we've been waiting for a buggy. Here we are in the middle of a forest now, and we do not know whether the buggy is coming from which side. So we cannot even walk, and this is actually a sad part. So if you're ever coming to Tamara and going out, make sure you call for the buggy at least half an hour in advance.
tourists.
We decided to visit Chalavara Falls, which is a 12-kilometer drive from our resort. Typically, people like to visit the comparatively famous Abbey Falls, which is situated within the city limits. We prefer to visit this place as it is much less known yet astonishingly beautiful. Some visitors even took a dive to bathe here.
Okay, so this is the view and it looks beautiful over here.
So beautiful, guys.
So, given an option between Abbey and Chalavara, we might prefer Chalavara only.
See, though Abbey is beautiful, it's
Yeah.
bigger, but the distance between the falls and the point where you can see is
It's
really
very
a lot.
big and it's lot, and we cannot see it clearly. So this makes us feel that it is quite near to us.
Yeah, it is quite near to us, right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we just got done with Chalavara Falls and that was beautiful. It was really pretty. Now we are heading towards a place called Nelknad Palace. If I'm
Pronouncing it right.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it spells like Nelknad Palace. So we are heading there.
It's a Tipu Sultan Palace basically.
We'll find out once we reach there what the history of that place is. This one that you see here is Nelknad Palace. A little history about this place. It was built in the year 1792 by Dodda Veera Rajendra, son of King Lingaraja I. Since Madikeri was under Tipu's rule, he started waging war against Tipu with Nalknad Palace as his base. But we would advise you visit this place only if you love to visit historical places. Else, we would suggest you skip this place. So, we've reached back at Tamara.
Yeah. So we have covered 2 locations today, and we are back at the hotel, and we are planning to cover some of the hotel activities here in the evening.
Yes, typically what people do over here when they come is that they don't really go on any trips. They just come, eat, sleep,
relax.
rest and go back. The next 2-3 days, that's what they usually do. And I want to show you as to how the scenery around us is.